Hello, I'm Robert Kraft of Kraft Custom Construction, and it's my honor to bring you through the fourth and final remodel of this beautiful home. Each phase increasing the beauty and livability and comfort of the home. One of the ways to achieve success in a complex project like this is to put together a great team consisting of an architect, interior designer, and craftsmen on the job doing the construction.
Hi, I'm Carl Anderson with Anderson Shirley Architects, and this is the kitchen remodel that we did with Robert Kraft of Kraft Custom Construction and the owner, and this is the final product. What was interesting about this client is this client had a very good understanding of where they wanted to go with their kitchen. We've done 3 previous remodels in this home, so this is an owner that's very engaged with his home. He's lived here for 20 years, but basically taking those ideas that they had for their home and bringing them to life in this. And with the previous remodels, we'd done the outdoors, we'd done the bathrooms, and now we had the opportunity to bring the outdoors into the kitchen.
Hi, I'm Peter Geiling. I'm the interior designer. I'm the person that marries together what the architect does and what the end product of what the contractor does together. I help the client in making choices for color and finishing, finish materials on so many levels, even outlet covers.
The existing kitchen was woefully inadequate for these 2 gourmet cooks. We started by completely opening up the kitchen and making it a bigger, more usable space.
To enlarge the kitchen, we had some structural modifications that we had to do. We had a stair that basically went off the main hall that goes to the bedrooms. Had to eliminate that, and that pretty much, the stair was underneath the existing range location. That gave us another 4 feet to add on to the length of the kitchen.
The kitchen is equipped with 2 dishwashers that are perfect for entertaining, 2 crisper drawers, a full-size refrigerator, and a bar refrigerator. The unique liquor cabinet door provides a perfect design for form and function. The 3 sinks are made of silicone and granite composite, sound absorbing and easy to clean. We also installed a full 6-burner range along with a 48-inch hood. The storage capabilities was completely increased by providing a unique Lazy Susan type corner cabinet apparatus. There are multiple storage capabilities within this kitchen, including beautiful stainless steel full extension shelves and multiple deep drawers with soft close hardware. The wet bar is in the same location of the previous doorway between the dining room and the living room, made of fir cabinetry, granite countertop, and of course an under-counter refrigerator.
One of the things we started with here in this kitchen was choosing the granite. I suggested to the client that they pick the granite first and that we build the scheme around it. So the tone of the cabinets, the wood flooring, the paint color, the furniture, upholstery, everything was pulled out of the colors that are in this granite, and it's all solid, so we were able to do the backsplash and have it flow very nicely.
They had 3 fireplaces, 1 to the living room, 1 to the dining room, and 1 in the basement. None of them actually worked, nor were they effectively used by the owner. So those went away, which gave us another opportunity to basically make a direct connection from the dining room into the living room.
Here we are in the stairwell. This used to be the exterior of the home. This wall right here, this was concrete, and all of this was outside. This is now one of the most interesting and dramatic parts of the home.
Well, with this project, what we did is we took out the basement stair, the primary stair, and in doing that, we of course had to bring about another stair. They had an exterior stair, and we were able to basically capture that with a sunroom. And with doing that, that was able to let more light into the basement. So we have a full free flow of light into the basement now, which they never had before, which was kind of a bonus in this overall remodel because we were essentially remodeling the kitchen, but we were able to capture all of that and bring it into the basement. And instead of walking into the dark of the basement, they open the garage door, step into the light of the basement and the skylight, and the light just keeps on getting stronger as they climb towards their destination. What I really like about the master bedroom is we actually got everything into the existing footprint of the home, didn't have to add on to the house proper, and we actually made the master bedroom smaller to make everything work better. What we did here with the master bath is we made a larger bathroom, not a great deal larger. We reconfigured the position of all of the parts. We did the double sinks, gave them a larger shower, brought in the natural light from the outside, of course, bigger window, connects them to the outside one more time.
The remodel of the existing laundry room was quite an interesting project. It dated back to 1955 and had not been touched prior to this remodel. There was exposed plumbing. We gutted the entire room. We enclosed the window in the upper left-hand corner. The reason for that was to make room for the exterior stairway leading from the master bedroom. A tall washer dryer were installed along with brand new cabinetry to make this a new, bright, livable space.
This is a design build project where I was brought in by the contractor. I'm the architect and I was working with the owner, the contractor, and of course the language of the existing home to bring about a final product, and I think we came off pretty well with the kitchen remodel that we have here, and of course the other parts of the home that we affected in the process.
As you can tell, this was a great project and a complete team effort. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed remodeling this home. Thanks for watching.